Meaning of guard.
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 Guard. The term guard can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a person or group of people responsible for protecting someone or something from harm. It can also be used to describe a barrier or obstacle that serves to prevent entry or access to an area. Additionally, it can refer to a device or implement used to provide protection, such as a safety guard on a machine. In all of these contexts, the concept of guard implies a role of protection and defense against some perceived threat or danger.